Good evening. It's Friday night and I got called back to this to run the low voltage lighting all the way through, and I rarely get to come in after all the landscaping is done and then do the lighting. But on a previous video I came in and I sealed this Acker-stone product. It's a coastal line. It's beautiful. It's got mother of pearl in it, and then I ran low voltage lights all the way through. This was not my project, the pavers, but I just had to jump on this thing and help out a friend who needed the lighting done, the sealing done. So check this out. This is amazing. Anyway, if you're looking for that next high-end stone, something a little bit different, it's definitely a premium cost to this. The Acker-stone Coastal Series on the pavers, awesome. Anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. I'm out.